When you're a city girl from the middle of the desert and you fall in love with an apple farmer from the Midwest, that can be a pretty poetic story. The reality is somewhat different. Our orchard was purchased by my grandfather and his brother in 1929.
My father came out at the beginning of the Depression, and this has slowly evolved over the next 30 years.
This has been home for me my whole life. I spread my wings for about 10 years after college and moved out west.
I knew when I met Ben that the farm was kind of a package deal with him.
Dad never encouraged me to come back to the farm. He always wanted us to do what was best for us.
Yeah, Daddy.
I always knew he was coming back.
He's rare, unlike so many other young folks.
Right there, can it fit right there, you think? Fall on the apple farm is a pretty busy time. There's a couple thousand folks that visit us every day. Brooke is always reminding me of how to find that balance in life.
Oh, you're doing pretty good.
How about you go ask Mommy what you can do?
My experience with figuring out how I fit into this place was more my relationship with Ben's dad, just building this on his own.
He had done everything on the farm.
All of a sudden, this little daughter-in-law shows up, and I'm gonna get on this, and we're gonna do this, and I need money to build the website. He's like, who are you?
I have an identity with this because we're both old, and the younger guy are much more efficient. We bought this tractor probably 35 years ago. It was the workhorse.
Dad got the 2640 when he first started farming. Now it's my turn to bring a new piece of equipment onto the farm. When it's not there, you feel a big void, just like a good employee, just like a good teammate. We've got an HPX gator.
It's one of the more time-saving pieces of equipment in the orchard.
Goes without saying that we're gonna invest in green. One of the things that the kids can pick up on is how their Poppy Bill and their dad put their ears back and get the job done.
The grandchildren are just a source of happiness for us.
Can you fit one more on top?
And they catch on quick. They know now that if you work, sometimes you're supposed to be rewarded for that.
Thea, what color is a John Deere tractor? Green. When you grow up with something and you get a chance to experience it with your dad and our family on a daily basis, it's like part of this, part of who I am.
We owe it to this place to continue the legacy.
I'm Jacqueline Gammie.
I'm Bill Gammie.
I'm Brooke Gammie.
I'm Ben Gammie.
And this is our orchard.